Ossipee with thunderstorm warning for southern Johnson County in north central Texas, northwestern Hill County in central Texas until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Ossipee with thunderstorm was located near Bloom, or 15 miles south of Cleburne, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Itasca, Grandview, Bloom, Covington, Carl's Corner, and Rio Vista. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 35W between mile markers 3 and 17. Interstate 35E between mile markers 375 and 377. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check on your local